Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix error code 4B538E50 code on NBA 2K24. Super easy fix to that, and simply is just this error says that it's unable to connect to servers. And basically, if you want to basically solve this error, you just need to make sure that you're running updated game version. So what you need to do here, for example, if you playing on Steam, you just need to go to library, then go to NBA 2K24 properties, updates, and make sure that always keep the game updated, right? And if you're playing with PlayStation, I believe you just need to go to library, select the game, press options, I believe, and then check for updates. If you're using Xbox, I believe you just need to go to games and apps and select updates, and just make sure that your game is running on the latest updates. And still, if this doesn't help, then you need to if you're getting this error, you need to verify your my player email. So this means you just need to go to your email. You should get a message that says verify your email, and you need to make sure to verify, because sometimes it can also be the problem if you do not verify your email. And that's pretty much it what you need to do here. Make sure that your game is running on the latest updates, and you verify your email on my player. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.